It's supposed to stop freezing at night in the next week or so, so I've been setting up my garden for the spring. I got a new blueberry, planted a second cherry tree. The buds of the cherries are starting to grow a lot. They're getting ready to open up. In the next week or so they should open up. Made a new little greenhouse. It's got a layer of plastic and then a layer of mesh to keep it warm and keep bugs out. You can see some basil, some flowers, some strawberries in there. Also, there's a grape that's latticed into a circle, and a couple of pots with some seeds coming over to the main garden. Layer of plastic to help the plants survive the freezing weather. Then a layer of mesh to keep bugs out. Lettuce growing. It's a little bit bigger than when I bought it. I just bought 10 little lettuce plants in a big pack. It's my second blueberry. Some rosemary, strawberries. Tons of strawberries. Look at that. Got some getting ripe. Some bugs found that one. Blueberry, flowers, carrots. Got a ton of mint growing here. Another strawberry. Some mint and a flower over there. Radish. Some more lettuce growing. Get planted over there. Nothing growing. Still too cold for anything to grow. Summer vegetables and tomato fruits growing over here. Well, I'm planted. Nothing's growing. Still. I've only got 3 little plants that I planted from seeds that have even come out of the earth so far. And a ton of strawberries. All various types. Aloe plants back there. Totally dying off slowly as it's staying cold into mid-March. Of course they like warm weather. Today's business at hand. Fixing these so that they'll stay in these holes. I need to ream these holes out so that they're bigger, so that these don't pop out. They can stick all the way down in. Broke it. I get some glue. See if I can glue that. I'm also gonna put some cross braces across the top of the planters. Tie them on with this, so when the rain falls onto the plastic, it won't push the plastic down and break stuff, cause problems to the plants. I got the cross brace across the back with little thin plastic poles. Tied 2 of them together. all the way across the back. And yes, my garden is all planters, and it's in my parking lot behind my car. My landlord doesn't mind. Nice guy. Hopefully that'll help my plants be able to grow up inside and keep the mesh off of them. Because after this weekend, I'm gonna take the plastic off because it's not gonna freeze anymore. I noticed I got my kale from last year still alive because it was under the plastic, and it's gone to seed. Got a big haul. 4 strawberries and 4 little pieces of kale from this plant right here. There it is. Sun came out for a second. Remember to keep on growing.